Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, guys. Today we are going to continue with our lessons. Mechanical technology under the topic of welding and mental work. Under this topic, we must know these two types of current, which is AC and DC. Number two, we must define AC and DC. We must know what is AC and DC. After that, you must differentiate between AC and DC. You must able to see what DC is AC. This one is DC. This one is AC. Due to their differences, they are not the same, but they have differences. So you must know how to differentiate them. Number three, we must explain where AC and DC are used in a mechanical workshops. Number four, we must understand the power of sources of welding and machine and small tools. Okay, we will do one until four. After that, I will provide some question so that we can treat together, we can do it together. Okay, we have two types of current. We have two types of current. Number one is AC current, alternative current. Number two is direct current, DC current. These two currents are different due to AC, AC current, or I can call it, yeah, I will say AC. I will never say alternative current or DC. I will shorten it to save time. Okay, AC current, it change direction it change direction many times per second. That means it have many direction. It change direction many times per second. You must know that AC, it change direction. It used in whole household workshops, machine, and some welding. While DC does not change direction, it flows in one direction. That means if we have a circuit like this, if we have circle like this, that means AC will go like this, will have this direction and also have this direction because they say AC change direction many times per second. It can go like this, it can go like this. That means this one is AC. While DC, DC, let's take we have uh, this, uh, this circuit. They say AC does not change direction. That means it will go like this only. It will go like this only. Understand? DC flows in one direction only, while AC flows in many directions, many times per second. Example of AC, electricity from a wall plug. Electricity from a wall plug is the example of AC, while example of DC is power from a car battery. Power from car battery, that means the current will start from the battery to the direction of the engine or something at the car, but it will start from the battery. No ways or it can start from engine to come to the battery. No, current will start to the car battery to the engine. So DC it uses only one direction, while DC it uses many direction. It can change due to the time, due to the second. Okay, the key difference between AC and DC are used. Direction, how the current flows, direction of the flows, source of examples. The source of example can differentiate between AC and DC. How can you differentiate between AC and DC? You use direction of the current. Number two, you use the source of examples. Number three, the common use. They have the different common use. AC and DC does not work on the same thing. And the symbols can differentiate your what? Your AC and DC. Can differentiate your AC and DC. That means after this lesson, you must able to differentiate between AC due to the flow of current. The current flows in many direction on AC, while the currents on DC flows in one direction. Okay, it's fine. We can continue. Now we must explain where AC and DC are used in mechanical workshop. In mechanical workshop, both AC and DC are used in various application. Like they are used in many things because they prefer using AC and DC. Okay, AC number one, AC. AC power. AC can distribute power. AC is used to distribute power through the workshop, powering equipment like lighting, heating, and etc. Okay, number two, machinery. AC can be used in machinery. AC are used in machinery such as pumps, compressors, and what is conveyor belt. Yeah, it can be used there. AC. Okay, DC. It can be used in power tools, in welding. DC can be used in power tools, welding, battery power equipment. Both can be used in mechanical workshops. So we must know where DC can be used, where AC can be used, why both AC and DC are used. Specific application require the different application require either AC or DC. On the application, it might be require AC or it can require DC. So it will, yeah, it can show, okay, AC is needed. This is needed. Okay, efficient and control. AC and DC have different characteristics that make them more or less suitable for the specific application. So safety and convenience. The choice between AC and DC may also depend on safety consideration and convenience factors such as availability of power source. While the power source is not able to work, so how can we survive? Remember, in mechanical technology, welding and metal work, it have 10 marks. Yeah, 10 marks. 10 marks on question, on exam. So now I want to differentiate between AC and, and DC. I'll differentiate between the key features. The key features. I'll differentiate between the key features. Therefore, AC. Therefore, DC. Okay. AC, we say it change direction. That means here, number one, we'll say change direction. That means it will change what direction? We say AC change direction. Is number one. Then we come to number two. Then we come to our number two. This AC will be opposite of DC. That means if AC change direction, this one will never change direction. Okay. Number two, we're coming to the wall plug sources. Is the for power lines. We can call it power lines. wall plug, power lines, or wall plug. Okay. Then we are coming to number three. I will give you four of them so that we will never take time. I want to see it's very AC homes. It can be used on homes, factories, welding. Yeah, homes, homes, fac- factories, factories, and welders. Wow. Yes. Okay. It's fine. Now we are coming to DC. We are coming to DC. Direct current. Number one. We say AC change direction. AC change direction. That means here it does not change direction. It flows in one direction. Then we'll say DC flows in one direction. So we know if this one change direction, this one will never change direction. Or you can write does not change direction. It's fine. Number two, uh, where can we use this DC? On batteries, panels. Yeah, I can write batteries and solar panels. You see here, we can use AC where at power lines, wall plug, but DC, it can be used on batteries. Yeah, we can use batteries and solar solar panels. Okay. Number four, you see here, we say we can use AC at home, at factories and welders. Okay, number three here. What do you think we can use DC? We know batteries. You can get battery on car. You can get batteries on phones. So simple. We can say, where can we use DC? We can use DC at car battery, tools, and electro electronics such as phones, yeah, such as phones and what, yeah, you know. Okay, now we are able to differentiate between AC and DC. We are able to explain where AC are used in mechanical workshop. They can be used in power lines, wall plug, home, factories is AC, but DC can be used in batteries, solar panels, car and tools and electronics. Sorry for making mistakes here. Power planet. Okay, now we must go to our question. I must provide you with question so that we will treat it together. We'll treat it together here. Because now we are able to explain the two types of current, which is AC. Okay, I can explain it again. AC is the alternative current, which it changes direction in minutes or in seconds. While DC is the direct current, it does not change direction, it flows in one direction. Remember, AC, they say AC have many directions. That means it can have frequency. AC have frequency while DC does not have frequency. Or you can say AC change frequency while DC does not change frequency. It remains the same. It remains the same. Okay, it's can fine. Now we can go to our question. We can answer our questions. Can answer our question. Can answer our question. See, always it will be on question 16. On question 16. Oh, yeah, on question 16. Here, number one. They say, explain the arc welding process. You must know the welding process, the arc welding process. This, they say, what is the arc welding process? Okay. We can the welding is used. Now we are answering the question. Used or uses. We can say yeah. Uses an ele electric electrical arc to melt and join the metals or metal. It the arc welding uses an electrical arc to melt and join the metal. That means it will melt and join what? The metal. Uses electrical arc. While they are using a electrical arc, the metal will melt. That means when the metal is melting, it can join the metals. It can join the metal. Then they say an electrical 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 current flows between an electrode electrode and what? And the base metal. Okay, this is the answer of number one. This is the answer of number one, which have three answer. We can call 1.6.1. Now we are coming to 1.6.2.1. 2.1. They say state the function of each of the following welding accessories. You must know the function of electrode holder, earth clamp, transformer. They need only function. Number one, we can say the function of electrode holder. The function of electrode holder is a holder. That means it holds the electron and conduct current to it. They say electrode holder. It's a holder, that thing. It holds the electrode and conduct the current to it. Okay. It hold. No. Let me use this one. Okay. They say electrode holder function. A function of electrode holder. It hold. It hold the what? It hold the electrode. It hold the electrode and conduct current on it, on it. It hold the electrode and conduct the current. Is the what? Electrode holder. Is a holder. Remember, they are giving they are giving us some hint. Holder. So it hold. Okay, we are going to number 16, 16.2.2. Okay. Earth clamp, earth clamp, earth clamp, earth clamp. Okay, we need the function of earth, earth clamp. It connects the work pieces to the welding circuit, completing the electrical circuit. It connect, it connect, it connect, it connect the what? The work pieces, the work pieces to the welding or welding circuit. Yeah, we can cross circuit here. Completing the what? The electrical, the electrical what? The electrical circuit. Okay, now we are coming to transformer. Okay, the function of transformer. The function of transformer. Transformer. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Transformer convert high voltage. It convert high voltage and lower current electricity to lower voltage. High current electricity suitable for welding. Okay, I know you didn't understand that. They say current transformer. It converts high voltage, high voltage and low current electricity electric suitable or electricity to low voltage to low, and if they say high voltage, that means now to low voltage and high current. Here there was low current, that means it will be high current. And the transformer, that means we are transforming, like we are changing. Okay, transform, the function of transform, it convert high voltage into low voltage, and it convert low current to high current. That means transformer, it convert high voltage and low current electricity to low voltage and high current. Is the what is the function of transformer? We are transforming, we are changing from high to low, from low to high. That means there will be high voltage. That means while we transform it, it will be low voltage. While current will be high, then become low. That means we are transforming. We are transforming. Okay. We can go to 1.6.3. Briefly describe the operation of the following welding machine. DC, the direct, the one we were doing earlier on. Direct current. That means direct current is DC. After that, they say AC, alternative current. And I have told you about the difference between AC and DC. Okay, 3 point, this one, I will answer it here. They say direct current, it provides a steady and constant current suitable for deeper penetration and smoother welding. It provides the deeper penetration and smoother welding. It provides, let me write it for you. It provide deeper, deeper, deeper penetrating and smooth, smoother well. 2 marks. I understand. It's 2 marks. Therefore, I will answer this one here. I will answer this here. They say AC, AC, AC. Okay, AC, it change polarity. It change polarity for good welding and managing materials and is commonly used for general purpose. Okay, let me write it for you down. It change polarity radically good for welding, welding, magnetic materials. General purpose. Okay, now we are done with our question. So on DC, we know the difference between DC and AC. We know where DC and AC are used in mechanical workshop. Now we understand the power of source of welding and machine and small tools. So today I will end our lesson here. We will meet another day, another time. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you.